Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V50 Lite and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find home screen, lock screen and wallpaper. Then let's tap on this wallpaper section and we will be immediately transferred to the pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose. Here we've got them, so system wallpapers. Under it we will have downloaded wallpapers, because you can tap on download more and enter the themes from which you can download the wallpapers for free. What is more, in the right upper corner you've got your own albums, so you can choose your own photo and set it as a wallpaper. I will find something and tap on download more. As you can see here, we've got the wallpapers which we can download and apply. So let me choose maybe this one. Just tap on the specific wallpaper and tap on download if you like it. Of course, you can scroll to the right or to the left to check other options. So just tap on download and now your device will download the wallpapers. Of course, beware, because you have to have the internet connection. After downloading, simply tap on apply and now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, both, or you can crop wallpaper. I'll choose both options, so let me tap on it. Here we've got the information, so we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.